Man shoulder for your flick. Yeah, that's bad you. Girl your shoulder for your flick. Cool ravers a par with. Ding ding dong the new dancing king. Man your shoulder for your flick. Girl your shoulder for your flick. Watch your words to a speak and attack with your bad mountain. Man shoulder for your flick. Inna me chain bling bling. Bad mind is a sin. Unity we a deal. Dancers feel it gooder than another. If you fight that, me picking out a feather. Don't bad mind, my friend.
Okay. Demon just got out of can. I gave my bro in advance. Love is just not in my plans. Not even taking a chance. Studio right in my yacht. I'm doing 10 in a week. How long I been on the street? Dream about work in my sleep. Okay, I got a lock on the streets. Shout out to T the 3. And he brought it in cause of me. You don't know
forever, forever, forever. Baby, me love when you wine pon the pipeline. Me lady believe me.
So what I've done now is they're in a bun, and I'm just gonna let it, you know, chill up in there for like 6 minutes, depending on how I'm feeling, maybe 10. I'm about to put a plastic cap on, and then I'll come back with this rinsed out and ready to put conditioner in it. So yeah, so sorry, that was very rude. I rinsed out the product from my hair, and my hair is feeling so much more soft. I twist these part in the fronts because my hair was doing that and I didn't want to see that. But this is what my hair looks like. It feels, and I put a little bit of conditioner on the ends. That's why you can see some yellow stuff, but it's much more soft than when I first started washing it. I need to get my ends clipped, but I'm gonna come back probably tomorrow morning with like mad of these, like around these size, and I'm gonna put them all over my head so I can do a twist out. And I was gonna put it in a bantu knot, but I don't want it to be like shriveled up, so I'm gonna keep them like this length and put it all over my head. That's what it looks like. And then come back tomorrow with the finished product, and it's probably zoomed in more and more every time, so I'm sorry, but see you tomorrow.
Oi, ahora, wicked. Wagwan bad charge. Over jungle, wicked man thing. Waterhouse, wicked man thing. Rona Juice Land, wicked man thing. Look how the AK pretty and slim. Rona back to wicked man thing. Rona Blackburn pen, wicked man thing.